Hello. This video is to demonstrate the ASL finger spelling detection project as part of the mobile computing uh, course. And this is until the 80% completion, which includes capturing the videos for all the ASL alphabets, extracting the frames, and using PostNet to crop the images such that they only contain the right hand, which is used to uh, capture the signs, and as well predict the configure a CNN model, train and predict the ASL alphabets. And also do the same for words where we each word contains three alphabets. We basically capture the words, extract the frames, and again use PostNet to extract the just the wrist part, and basically do until that. Yeah. We are group number 39, and I'll start with a demo. So as you can see, alphabet videos is the folder which contains ASL alphabet videos of all the four of us, and alphabet frame extraction is the first Python file which is used to basically extract files from all videos from all the videos from alphabet videos folder and dump them to the alphabet video frames folder. I'll just go ahead and run this one. As you can see, it is extracting the frames for all all the videos. All right. Uh, so once that is done, we can see that the frames are extracted for all the videos. Yeah. So this is how the frames are extracted using the frame extractor file. And once that is done, we use PostNet and REST extraction file to basically give an input of all the videos from the alphabet video frames, and the output of the cropped image will be dumped onto the alphabet hand frames. We can see that it is extracting the cropped images for all the videos under the alphabet video frames folder. Right. Uh, Once this is done, we have our frames extracted in the alphabet hang frames. As you can see, this has all the extracted frames. Yeah. So this is how we use Postnet to extract the right hand wrist part. And once that is done, we use our alphabet prediction.py class, which basically uses all the images that we have in the alphabet hang frames to train uh, for with 5 epochs, and then we use just one teammate's videos to test the model. So basically, here, instead of using the normalization for feature extraction, we have tried couple of things. One was ELBP and the other one was HOG feature extraction. uh, we just tried couple of things to increase the accuracy. As you can see, it is assigning the labels to each and every image based on the output labels alphabet txt file. Right. Once it is done training, it will predict, and this is the confusion matrix that it is printing, and we can see the F1 accuracy score of 0.04. We did try to increase the accuracy by shuffling the images as part of our training and using different hand feature extractions. And hopefully, we will try a little more by the end submission time. uh, Now coming to word videos, we have our word videos dumped into the word videos folder as well. Similar to alphabet frame extraction, we have our word frame extraction, which will take all the words from the word videos and dump them to word frames. And that, as you can see, it is also giving us the frame count from each video as well. Yep. So once this is done, we have our word frames extracted. As you can see, this is PAD. Uh, TOG. Right. So this is how the frames are extracted, and once this is done, we use our word segmentation class, which internally invokes Postnet to extract the cropped images for each word. As you can see, it is extracting the cropped images for each word. Right. Once this is done, we can see that the word hand frames has cropped images for all the folders, for, for all the words. Yep. So this is how we have used PostNet and frame extraction for words as well. We are currently working on the prediction for words, and that should be, we will have a demo for that by the final submission time. Thank you.